I have to interrupt you.
Please do.
I just realized we totally missed something that's imperative, critical about the last topic. We didn't ask him what his build is.
On the Tesla. Oh, we need to.
What the hell is your build? Dude, this is a huge clip. Will's Model 3 build.
Here we go again.
The sigh.
Somebody asked somebody.
Well, this one's a lot easier.
It is. This is way easier. All right, let's see. Will's Model 3 build. Did it come in more expensive or less expensive than the Bronco?
I believe it's like $1,000 more.
Okay.
Canadian.
So similar, but a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's pretty simple. I think I'm just going to go with the standard.
What's the range on that? 400?
430 kilometer estimated range.
And then, weird, I can't scroll down. Interesting. I'm going to go with the gray.
Nice. I like that.
And I'm going to go with the Aero wheels. Mainly because you get 2 wheels in one. Because there's actually the hubcap.
Uh-huh.
But then you can take off the hubcaps and they look way cooler.
Oh, really? Okay.
But it's less aerodynamic, so you lose a lot of range.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
What does it look like?
They look cool.
What does it look like when you take off the hubcap? I've never seen this. Or have I?
Maybe. I feel like Dave did this.
He just changed the wheels.
Oh, he did? Okay.
Yeah, he just changed the wheels. He was looking for the arachnid wheels, and he just bought them after the fact.
That's what
that's what they look like.
Oh, wow. That does look cool.
What?
If you take them off. Yep.
Oh,
what? No way. That's
they do, yeah. And they look really cool. This one.
It is 2 wheels in one.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you just decide if you want range or cool looks.
Yeah.
Oh,
I definitely want this.
So you once again have to decide between fun Will and practical Will. Every day he's just staring at the wheel.
I'm just sweating.
Which man am I? Okay.
Yeah.
But wait, aren't you tempted at all by the all-wheel drive in Canada? As opposed to the rear-wheel drive? Rear-wheel drive is typically not the greatest in our winters.
Yeah, but it's also more expensive. It's $10,000 more.
Jesus, but this is, like, that was a big thing about the Bronco.
Yeah.
I know, I can just roll over everyone.
The winter, like, who cares?
Yeah.
Like, half the year we spend, maybe not quite half, but
my goodness, it's a
And
tough half.
then normally with a car, the front wheel drive cars do a little bit better. I mean, I guess you can put winter tires, but rear wheel can be tough to get traction in the really bad weather.
I know.
I mean, I haven't had a rear wheel drive car in a while, but I had a. Oh, here somebody says, C. Jane Go says, we live in Toronto, highly recommend the long range rear wheel drive. Okay. So put winter tires on it and you'll be fine.
Cool.
But were you trying to match the price exactly to the Bronco? Is that?
I'm sure he has a budget, right?
Yeah. It's more on the budget.
Right, but
I'm like
that budget was
a little over budget now.
Oh, okay.
That budget was the Bronco budget.
Yeah.
He hit it exactly on the rear wheel.
I'm just gonna go with the black interior.
Okay.
So we went with the silver or gray color, the Aero wheels, and the black interior so far.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it.
No self-driving.
How much is that as an upgrade?
Oh, this is a new option.
10 grand.
I don't think I got this option.
Oh, really?
You got the connector and mobile connector?
You got the free one still? You were the last to get the When did you do this?
Maybe 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah, so you got it in before they pulled the charger out.
Wow.
So you get the cheap at-home charger.
So let me just say, man, like the estimated delivery time is not correct until you actually put in your deposit. This is not right. July to September. It's only when you make a non-refundable deposit is actually when the real estimated delivery shows up.
Get out of here. And
which
it's
I don't
later?
like. That's like really shady.
What?
Don't like that. Yeah,
So
not cool. But I mean, it is what it is.
Like that. Not cool.
So wait a sec. You're saying that until you've clicked pay,
Yes.
the minute you click pay,
Yep.
then it tells you the actual.
Yes.
Whoa.
I could show you right now.
I'm
Like,
surprised that you don't go continue to payment and then at that point it updates.
right after you pay.
Interesting.
Yeah, it sucks.
So wait, you're not even on the September end of the spectrum? You're even past that?
Oh, he
It
said
says
already.
October to December is the realistic delivery time.
Well, you remember what we talked about on this show is that if you add self-driving,
It's
Of
quicker.
course.
you go to the
yeah.
front of the line.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quicker,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Does that bug you as well? Oh, there's some crafty things going on.
Uh-huh.
Couple of crafties going on there.
Yeah.
He liked that. Crafty.
But why did your wheels switch back?
It's because I refreshed the page.
Oh, let's go back here. They won't let you. They're like, nope.
I can't scroll for some reason. It's kind of
Okay, no, we're
busted,
good. We're
but
good. It's interesting how the aero wheels affect your EPA range. I'm going to tell you, you're going to
It
leave.
does, yeah. It makes a big difference.
You're leaving those hubcaps on. Practical Will is winning every war for the rest of this life. Yeah. Like my EPA range.
It does make a huge difference, apparently.
Yeah, no, of course, yeah.
Did you struggle with the choice of picking autopilot or not? Or was it the
Well,
price?
he can add
You
it.
can
He
always-
can add it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it wouldn't be like a discount if I buy it now.
Right. Oh,
It'll be
okay.
the same price
Mhm.
afterwards.
Interesting.
And the color. How did you land on this particular color?
I wanted like a light gray for it, but
Oh, lighter than that?
yeah,
Like silver almost?
like chalk. I was thinking chalk, like a off white.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
No, they don't have those type of options. Like a flat paint?
yeah.
No,
you know.
no. They're working on the paint shop, but they're not going there yet.
Oh, a lot of
Did
action.
you consider any of the other options they have at all, or no?
I wanted to maybe go with the black,
Right.
but the white is everywhere.
The white is probably the most popular
Yeah,
around here.
black's nice, but
Oh, but also the black is $2,000.
it's $2,000 more. Sure, but doesn't really matter to me.
Well,
Yeah, I mean it does, but
I don't know. Like, is the black that much better than
Yeah.
the midnight?
Right, yeah.
I don't know. The midnight, the nice thing about it, it shows more accents of the car.
sure,
The
yeah.
wheels are contrasting, the handles are contrasting, the trim around the windows is contrasting.
Yeah, you get like a real two-tone because
Yeah.
of the matte finish with the accents,
Mm-hmm.
but with the black, it's just very stealth.
Yeah, I mean they're both cool.
They are.
Okay, great. Now we've fully done it. We fully did it, Mo. We can get back to your story. Apologize for that. I couldn't. I just when I saw it in the chat, I was like, we didn't even do the build. Imagine that clip when people see that after everything they've been through at the Bronco, they see Willie Doo's model
No, it's true. It was
Tesla Model
necessary.
3 build. Unbelievable
But
stuff.
I'm gonna accessorize if I do get it a lot.
Are you gonna wrap it?
Yeah,
I knew
maybe.
it.
Yeah.
I knew
Well,
it.
with PPF for sure. But,
I can give you the place to go for that.
Okay. Yeah.
The PPF.
I appreciate.
He meant though, are you going to wrap it in some kind of
Yeah.
other
Maybe.
color?
I don't know.
We'll see.
If you do PPF, then you won't because it's expensive.
Yeah.
So it's one or the other,
Uh-huh.
usually.